Não, desceu. O banco desceu. Come on.
Wait, Vinny, wait.
Let's go. Vinny, you said you're gonna go behind us, so go behind us.
Yeah, what about the front?
Use your bell, Nicholas. That's it.
Are we going to go down really fast?
No.
Why?
Hold on tight.
Okay. Uh-oh. We're going to go really fast. Oh, we done!
Yay!
Why is Vinny going so fast?
Sei lá. Você não tá vendo ela aí?
Não.
Ela caiu.
Why are we breaking?
It's overweight.
Come on, Dad. Oh, right behind us.
Nós vamos dar uma volta no parque, viu? Não vamos direto pro McDonald's.
Yeah, we're going to McDonald's park. Now, go. Faster, faster. McDonald's park, here we go. This is fun to eat.
Yeah, because it was winter, right? Vinny, slowly. When we come back. Yes, on our way back. Are you pedaling?
Look at the one. 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 Look
The swans, yeah. I can't see any swans.
I can see one.
They're ducks. And other birds. I don't know what the other birds are.
The other birds are swans.
The swans are on the other side, I think.
Yes, they are. You're right, Dad. I'm going to number 5. And then I'm going to number...
Vamos até o centro da cidade? Hã?
Não é tão ruim.
Vamos até o centro? Hã? É pertinho, Jama. É rapidinho. Como morrendo, Jama? Você não fez. Não fizemos nem 1 quilômetro ainda. Hã?
That's all just the road, isn't it?
Vinny, be reminded this bicycle is not yours.
What was that loud noise, Dad?
That was a motorcycle. Yes. Motorcycles are like bicycles, but with an engine, with a motor. Põe na marcha mais leve, Jama. É aqui, ó. Vira aqui no pulso. O número 6 deve ser mais leve. O número 6 deve ser mais leve.
Why is Vinny not listening to us? I'm going to number 4.
You have to pedal when you want to change gears. I told you many times.
I am pedaling. I am taking this because I'm pedaling.
Melhorou?
Yes.
Hã? Põe na marcha mais leve, mulher. Melhorou?
There's some people in front of us. We have to ring a bell.
Aham.
Let's ring a bell. Okay?
Ring a bell. Ring a bell.
I can see Vinny. He's waiting for us. Vinny! I'm ringing a bell from Vinny. Vinny! Vinny!
have to wait for mommy. Tá mais leve agora? Well, we're going downwards. We don't need to pedal.
What?
We're going down. Gravity! Gravity, it's pulling us. Gravity, yes. Ali no Morrison tem uma subida bem pesada, Jomas. Se você quiser descer da bicicleta e empurrar, a gente te espera lá em cima. Whoa, you're pedaling for both of us. Come on, continue. Continue, pedal. For both of us. That's good. For you and for Daddy.
Which way now? Up or down? Down. I don't know.
Onde é que tá a mamãe, filho? Hã? Ela caminhou?
Não, ela tá ali.
Eu não posso olhar pra trás, filho. É que você não sabe como é que é andar com esse negócio quando esse negócio atrasa. Ele joga muito. Yeah, ring your bell. Ring your bell if you want to.
não posso ir de bicicleta com esse?
Não, ela não é tua. Vou consertar a tua bicicleta, talvez essa semana. Eu tenho que pegar um day off. I have to ask for a day off.
Eu uso.
Você pode usar essa aqui. Ok. Ah. Oh, mamãe conseguiu! Ei! Palmas pra mamãe! Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Thank you. Nicolas, segura no guidão. Hold on your bike. Because I have eyes on the back of my head. Yes. Hold on tight. No, Vinny and Mommy are behind. Ring your bell. Oh, pedestrian crossing not in use. That's bad. That is bad. You stay on your bike, okay?
Kids would learn how to do that.
Don't have to go on the line. Oh, that inside the mountain? Oh, that inside.
Vinny, stop. Já começou os trabalhos aqui, né? Redevelopment.
My belly just rumbled. My belly just rumbled.
You did? Quer água não? Quer água?
No, I said my belly rumbled because I'm hungry.
You're hungry. Vinny, this mount is too narrow and there's too many pedestrians.
Yeah, you can go. Oh, no. Cars headed ahead.
Right, railway station that way.
Oh, I was about to say that.
I'm hungry, Dad.
We're gonna have ice cream when we go back.
When we get there, look there. That was full of ice, but now it's a white way. Dad, that was full of ice, but now it's a white way.
Okay.
They go pizzas in this place, do they, Dad?
Ah, look at this.
Dad. That's it.
Drop from your bike. Drop from your bike a moment.
Good enough. What does it say right there? Dad, what does it say right there? It says not to go here. It says not to go here.